What is CBC, Competency-Based Curriculum? Did you know that education is no longer just about memorizing facts and passing exams? Today, schools are shifting towards a system that focuses on what learners can actually do with what they learn. That system is called the Competency-Based Curriculum, CBC. In this video, I'll explain what CBC is, why it was introduced, how it works, and why it matters for today's learners. Let's get started. What is CBC? The Competency-Based Curriculum, CBC, is a modern approach to education that focuses on developing skills, knowledge, values, and attitudes that learners need in real life. Unlike traditional systems that emphasize memorization and exams, CBC focuses on competence, the ability to apply what you've learned in practical situations. In simple terms, it's not just about knowing, it's about doing. What is a competency? A competency combines knowledge, what you know, skills, what you can do, and attitudes and values, how you will behave and apply it. For example, instead of only learning the theory of farming, a learner may demonstrate the ability to plant crops properly, care for them, and explain the process. That's competence. Why CBC was introduced? CBC was introduced to prepare learners for the modern job market, promote creativity and critical thinking, encourage problem-solving skills, reduce overdependence on rote memorization, and develop well-rounded individuals. The world is changing fast. Technology, entrepreneurship, innovation, and education must adapt. Key features of CBC. 1. Learner-centered approach. The student is at the center of learning. Teachers act as facilitators or guides rather than just lecturers. 2. Active learning. Learners participate in group discussions, projects, presentations, research, and practical activities. 3. Continuous assessment. Instead of relying only on final exams, assessment happens continuously. Learners are evaluated based on performance, projects, and demonstrated skills. 4. Real-life application. Learning connects to real-life situations and community challenges. How CBC is different from traditional curriculum. Traditional curriculum focus on exams. CBC focuses on skills and competence. Traditional curriculum teacher-centered. CBC learner-centered. Traditional curriculum memorization-based. CBC application-based. CBC asks, can the learner apply this knowledge in real life, not just can the learner repeat it in an exam? Why CBC matters today. The modern world needs people who can think critically, communicate effectively, work in teams, solve problems, innovate, and create. CBC aims to develop learners who are independent, creative, responsible, and skilled. The competency-based curriculum is not just a change in content, it is a change in mindset. It shifts education from teaching to pass exams to teaching for life and work, and that is why CBC is considered a modern and future-focused approach to education. If this video helped you understand CBC better, make sure you subscribe to SmartEd AI for more clear and practical content on the competency-based curriculum. Comment CBC below so we know you're part of the learning community, and let us know in the comments section what else would you like to learn about CBC. See you in the next video.